Because it don't look good from my house. What it do, boo-boo? How you doing, forehead? That's not right. What up, forehead? Let's get into today. We're gonna take this off. Smart. Get into the carbs, clean them up, try and get that choke to not do that. Let's go. I forgot something. So I was thinking about something else when I was inside. I'm gonna get it out of the way now. If you're not, you might as well go ahead, subscribe, hit that motherfucking bell while you're at it. This way you know when I upload. You get some decent content. Yeah. Let's go. Yo, you leaky slut. Works for me. Learned my fair share from setting tanks down. Don't let them sit like that, they'll spill. We're gonna not forget this time. God damn, I was laughing at myself so hard last week when I was putting this video together. Oh, that was funny. We won't forget it there this time. Now that it's extra loose, we should have no problem just giving it a little tug. Look at that. It's like magic. Hey yo, go ahead, do your thing. Yep. Yummy. Oh, I also found another flaw when I was going through and editing. I pried right up against that. So if I just take it, pry it back. Thought process. That's really hard. We're gonna have to take this off and reset it. Perfect. I wanted you off in the future anyway. Alright, we got the choke off. Looks like a 10mm. Pop that down, bring it out, flip it over. My finger was stuck. So we're gonna have to do the same thing here. Now the only problem I can think of is which one goes where. But if I leave this on the outside and leave this on the inside, I'll have a pretty good idea. Hit the drains again. Shiny, not shiny.
Oh. Wow.
We can do this right here. Perfect. All right, gang, what do we want to talk about today? Because I can't fucking think of anything. Love the fact that I'm missing a screw there. That's cool. Alright, I don't have any throttle body cleaner, but this is close enough. Yep, it needed it. I gave Rich his hoodie, by the way, if anybody was wondering. Alright, so brought some, oh shit, I forgot a brush, whatever. Some penetrating oil just to lube up some parts, and some paper towels to kind of scrub. This is spray paint, and the fact that it's still on there is amazing. There's some good shit. Woo! It's cold. That feels pretty good. Okay. So the chokes themselves are pretty good. They feel really springy. That's the problem. Yeah, that would explain it. Grab our pliers. Yo! Just got shot. Yeah, look at that. That might work. That looks good. Just because I'm gonna be sliding. A little bit there. A little bit there. I don't have a spray nozzle thing. Can you not? You mind? Close. There it is. Ta-da! Oh, that. Oh my god, I'm dumb. I know why there's a missing screw. Well, I know there's no cuts on my hand. Okay. We need that little piece that fell off. Where did it fall off to? AO passed me. You should have kept an eye on it. I know it fell. I don't remember what way it went. There it is. This one's on the inside, so it goes here. This is probably the worst part for me. We come here. Ow. Still can't quite use that fucking hand, huh? No, I cannot. Then you gotta line these up with the actual twisty boy. And that's not fun. Yeah, I should have thought about that. One of these days, everything will go smoothly. Today, it's not that day. Hey, haha, I have an idea first. Watch how much easier this is. One shot, one take. Let's go. We'll clean and oil that up a little bit too. Snappy. Perfect. I'm not forgetting it this time. Gas tank. Ow, 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 ow. If this starts, you gotta hit the like button down there. Well, that would help. Oh, that's actually easy now. Oh yeah. Well, that about wraps up today's video. Got the carb taken care of. Nice and springy now. Hell yeah. And now she spits flames again. Back to her former glory. But we're not done. We're gonna go over everything. Like, look at this. That's rusted. That's rusted. We gotta go over that. You can't take that off nicely. It's all dusty everywhere. This has had so much gas poured on it that it's probably no good clear anymore. Front brakes, they're actually not horrible. They're still midlife. I don't know what this looks like because I cheated every time I did it. But even that's bent. That's not cool. Whole thing getting redone. So like I said, that about wraps up today's video. Check back next week. We're gonna check and see if the entire electrical system is good. Making sure everything works when it's supposed to work. If everything checks out there, probably move on to this. This needs to be done. Over here is broken down here. So yeah, check back next week for the 89 500 restoration part 3. And we'll see you. Bye.